1 Minute Hungarian Lesson 7.
Jó napot! Hello!
It's Mark and Vidak here, your Hungarian teachers, bringing you this espresso course in Hungarian from the Coffee Break Languages Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Hungarian teaches you just a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn to say, it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Let's begin with a little review. Can you remember how to say, I am? Virag, what would you say?
Virág vagyok.
When you meet someone, it's only polite to say, it's nice to meet you. To say this in Hungarian, you would say,
Örvendek.
listen again.
Örvendek.
Try it one more time.
Örvendek.
Good. Maybe your new Hungarian-speaking friend could help you with your Hungarian. Listen to this phrase.
Jobban meg szeretnék tanulni magyarul.
Now, that's quite a mouthful. Let's hear it one more time.
Jobban meg szeretnék tanulni magyarul.
It means, I would like to learn more Hungarian. Of course, you're already learning it, but this phrase will help you make lots of Hungarian-speaking friends who can help you improve your language skills. Try saying the whole phrase after Virak. She'll say it slowly.
Jobban meg szeretnék tanulni magyarul.
Let's make this a little easier. We'll split it up.
Jobban meg szeretnék tanulni magyarul.
Let's go through what we've learned in this lesson one more time. First of all, it's nice to meet you.
Örvendek.
And I would like to learn more Hungarian.
Jobban meg szeretnék tanulni magyarul.
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Hungarian-speaking friends or any business colleagues you may meet. Today's phrases have been quite tricky, so do try to listen again to this episode. You can find out more about 1 Minute Languages at oneminute.languages.com. That's all for today.
Köszönöm, és viszontlátásra!
You have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.